How to change audio speed in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, scroll down to the audio editing tools section and tap on speed changer. This feature allows you to adjust the playback speed of your audio files easily and precisely. Now import the audio file that you want to edit from your device. Once the file is loaded, you will see the speed adjustment interface with a slider. Drag the slider to increase the speed if you want the audio to play faster, or decrease the speed to make it play slower. You can preview your changes in real time to make sure the playback speed sounds perfect. After adjusting, tap the Save button to apply the changes. The modified audio will be saved on your device, ready for further editing, mixing, or sharing. Now you know how to change audio speed in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.